Hello everyone. Let's look at today's Leetcode problem. 3330. Find the originally typed string 1. This is a pretty interesting problem which uh, we will discuss more in we will understand the problem statement. But before starting this problem, let us look at a motivational quote for today. Creativity is often the greatest gift we possess. A spark that ignites imagination, transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary, and breathes life into our wildest dream. Unlike any other skill, creativity cannot be confined by rules or boundaries. It thrives in curiosity, flourishes in freedom, and blossoms in the courage to think differently. It is not just a skill but a way of living, a lens through which we can reimagine our reality, solve problems in unexpected ways, and leave a piece of our soul in everything we create. Okay, so let us look at this interesting problem here. Lead code 330. Find the originally typed string 1. So let us understand the problem statement. Alice Alice is attempting to type a specific string on her computer. However, she tends to be clumsy and may press a key for too long, resulting in character being typed multiple times. Although Alice tried to focus on her typing, she is aware that she may still have done this at most once. You are given a string word which represents the final output displayed on Alice screens. Return the total number of possible original strings that Alice might have intended to type. So this is a very interesting problem, and it has a lot of good applications in real life as well. So let's say somebody is trying to type in a specific word and there are duplicate words. So we can assume the originally typed word of the user is also a possible is also an expected uh, thing that the user is looking to type, or he might have an additional key press of a character, maybe one or multiple times, like we see here in case of B and the four occurrence of C. So all of these said, so we can come to a conclusion saying that uh, these additional threes uh, can be uh, a single possibility 3 and 4, and the original string. This constitutes to 5 possibilities. So what I'm saying here is, so the initial string might be an expected one, so we can start off with a count of 1, and we can also say, and if there is a repeated character, then we can say uh, the possible output string that the user looked to type was removing this string and all of the other set of characters. And from here we can also say that this can also lead to uh, a b b c. So this is also another possibility, and a b b c c. This was another possibility, and only thing that we are doing here is we are removing each character of C which is occurring multiple times, uh, that we are assuming might be a wrong key press from the user. In this case, the Alice is the user, right? So uh, all of those might be a wrong possibility, and these might be the expected output strings that the user was looking to type. So these three and this one, uh, the original string along with the duplicates being removed, all of them might be the total number of possible original strings that the user might have intended to type. Okay, so let's look at a strategy to solve this problem. So An approach that we can choose here is we can go through each character in the word and say if character -1 is equal, then we can say increase the expected output. At the end, the expected output will be 1, as the original word is also an expected output. So any duplicate characters might uh, not be an uh, intended might not be the intended uh, output string that the user is looking for. So we are any duplicate or the previous matching character, we increase the expected count and we can return the final count. Okay, so this is our approach. So let us quickly try solving this problem and let us submit this solution. Okay, so as you can see, the solution gets submitted. Uh, the time complexity of the solution would be n, which is the length of the input word, and space complexity would be 1, as we are not using any extra additional memory here, right? Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.